Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to talk about emotions in college. All right, whenever we experience an input from somebody else, our environment, or internally, our emotions hit us first. And it's the first thing that we react to. We have an emotional reaction to something, right? We tend to believe those emotions first, over than logic, right? We also have a negativity bias about ourselves. We have a tendency to believe negative things about us before anything else, and we sometimes believe negative things that other people tell us very quickly, right? But keep in mind, emotions are complex, right? You may be excited that you're here at college, but also scared that you're here at college. You may be happy that you're here at this new opportunity, but you also might be sad that you're leaving your old life behind, right? So one of the keys to being successful with your emotions in college is reframing the negative ones, right? Make them into positives. Spin these so you can be successful. All right, we're out of time. Later.